Let's make a HD 16:9 aspect ratio audio-visual presentation, including a title, music, animation from start to finish in well under 5 minutes. In this project folder, I have placed 20 high resolution images of different aspect ratios, including a 3-minute piece of copyright-free music from YouTube. What I need to do is to select them all. I'm going to select one and use Ctrl A, drag everything down, I don't want the folder, and click OK to accept the music. While those slides remain selected, let's go to Styles and Themes, and into our styles, and into the image option, because what I want to do is select image cover screen to make sure that the aspect ratio of all of those images cover the 16:9 aspect ratio show that we're making. Now, as they're still selected, let's go back once again into Styles and Themes, this time into the themes. I'm going to select the Ken Burns effect, which is gentle pans, zooms and rotation, and I'm going to click Apply. Moving back to the starting image in my sequence, I'm going to click that, then right click and add a blank slide. With the blank selected, we can create a title again using Styles. Let's go to Styles and Themes. Back to the Styles button, I need the captions. I'm going to choose this one, a caption zoom in. There we get an idea of what it's going to do. And down here, I can type the title I want and then click Apply. Now we need to put a blank at the end of our slideshow to finish. So we need to scroll to the right, click at the end and then right click and insert a blank slide. And before we go any further, we should save a project file. Now let's go to File, Save As, into our project folder. I'm going to call this my 5-minute AV, and save. Now we can turn to the timeline at the bottom right corner. And from the option you can see here, we're going to fit all of the slides to our soundtrack, and our slideshow is complete. All we need to do to output this as an MP4 is to go to the Publish option, top right, choose HD and 4K video. I'm selecting the 1920x1080 HD size 16:9 aspect ratio, high quality, 60p, click OK, and PTE will take 2 or 3 minutes to create your MP4. Now here's a very important tip. Once you've created your slideshow and you're happy with it, go to File, Create Backup in Zip. It'll default to the folder you're working in. You can see it gives it a unique name. Click Save. This only takes a few seconds to create. But once you save that zip file off your computer, you could come back to this slideshow 5 years from now, and with this file you can open it up and pick up exactly where you left off. Now my video's been running for about 4 minutes. Not bad considering we've made a slideshow and backed it up for the future. Not so difficult, is it? Now I'm going to link to this slideshow below so you can view it exactly as it's made here. But to finish, let me just show you a few images at the start and the end of this sequence so you can see that the automatic synchronization has worked pretty well. There's a trial version of this software here. Download it and give it a try. I've been using it for more than 20 years. Don't forget, if you have any PTE AV Studio video suggestions, let me know in the comments below. I'll see you next time.